Hi everyone, this is Jenna. Just wanted to come in real quick and apologize for not posting consistently like I started out doing in the beginning. I've just had a whole lot of life events that happened for the month of April, a lot of ups and downs, a lot of disappointments and things of that nature. However, now that those, distractions are gone, it's time to focus more on what I was doing. And effective May 1st, I will start back posting consistently. But one of the things that I have been doing, even in the midst of all the turmoil in April, I have been designing. So that is one way that I'm able to bring in different streams of income just from that one skill set. One of them being I have a gig on Fiverr where people are able to contact me to create different designs and things like that. They're able to I'm able to provide services to them for that. The other way is through word of mouth. I do have family and friends that know that I design as well. So they're sending people my way who are needing help with, let's say, if it's a baby's party, or if it's, I've had someone reach out to me for like an adoption party. I'm helping my niece plan her whole baby shower. I'm doing all the designing for the baby shower. Also, I have done some family reunion t-shirts as well. So it's just people are reaching out to me for different things, and the designs that I create you're able to use those on t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, or whatever the case may be. And then the third way is through my own brand. So I've been selling t-shirts for a while now, and I'm actually in the process of rebranding that whole concept. It's going to be more so inspiring, uplifting, and also it's going to have some faith-based designs in there as well. But I just really wanted to kind of talk about more mental health and things like that, kind of like wearing your mood type of vibe. And all of this has happened, and all the changes have occurred during the month of April. So I do hope that you guys stick around, share this video, like, comment. If there's something specific that you want me to talk about, let me know. And also some of the systems that I use for designing. I use Canva, I use Kittl, I use ChatGPT Plus, and even just regular ChatGPT as well. It helps me a lot. And then I also use Ideogram, and that's like an AI type of software. But let's get into the video.